Hey everybody, I'm Kirby, this is Kirby Meets Audio, and I'm going to be at the Midwest Audiofest. If you don't know what that is, the Midwest Audiofest is a big meetup, hangout, show-off of speaker builders and audio enthusiasts that happens every summer in Ohio. It's going to be held at Parts Express in Springboro, Ohio. That's about 10 minutes south of Dayton, Ohio. And it's gonna be held on July 13th and 14th. We've got some fun stuff planned for me to do while I'm there, other than just hanging out and chatting it up with you guys. If you want more details, I will be releasing them on my Instagram, so go check that out, follow me if you wanna get updates. I'll also do my best to capture some of the fun and interesting things that happens during the Audiofest on my Instagram page, on my stories and stuff like that. So if you can't make it, definitely follow me and get the inside scoop. I'll also do like a fun tour of Parts Express. I'll definitely be posting about that. That'll be cool. I've never been to Ohio, so that's gonna be a totally new experience for me. I've also never been to a big audio meetup like this, so lots of new stuff. It's gonna be good. The most similar experience I've had is probably Maker Faire that I went to a few weeks ago. That was just a huge group of slightly like-minded people all in one area, which was absolutely amazing, and the people were super cool. So I can't even imagine what it's going to be like to have all these, audio enthusiasts all in one area. I'm really excited. I think I'm going to learn a lot and meet some really cool people. So yeah, be there. So other than just me being there and seeing everybody and talking to everybody, the real exciting things to look forward to at this Audiofest, number one is a warehouse sale for Parts Express, so you can get some cheap components. There's also going to be an audio swap meet, which I'm really excited about, so maybe pick up some vintage gear or trade some new gear. But the biggest thing is the speaker design competition that they have every year. There's a few different categories in the competition, so if you want to get more information, including how to register one of your speaker designs, head over to midwestaudiofest.com, get the info there. All right, so I'm really looking forward to this event, and I'm also really looking forward to hopefully meeting a bunch of you guys. If you're in the area, definitely come out. Even if you're not in the area, come out, hang out. Hit me up in the comments if you're gonna come out. Tell me how far you're traveling, that would be fun. And if you're there, definitely come up and say hi. I really enjoy meeting you guys. All right, again, it's July 13th and 14th in Springboro, Ohio at Parts Express. Definitely come out, be there. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week when we're gonna design an enclosure for the kit project. All right, see you guys then. I still do this walkout thing.